Flinto File presents 7 mind-blowing facts. From the vast reaches of space to the intricate workings of the natural world, our planet is a tapestry woven with wonder and mystery. Join us now as we embark on a journey of discovery, exploring 7 astonishing facts that will leave you questioning the very fabric of reality. Prepare to be amazed as Flinto File unveils the secrets hidden within our extraordinary universe. Venturing into the microscopic realm, we encounter the tardigrade, a creature so resilient it seems to defy the laws of nature. These microscopic marvels, also known as water bears, possess an almost unbelievable ability to withstand conditions that would spell certain doom for most life forms. Imagine, if you will, being plunged into temperatures nearing absolute zero, the point at which all molecular motion ceases. A tardigrade wouldn't flinch. Or picture the crushing pressure of the deepest ocean trenches, 6 times greater than at the Earth's surface. Again, our tiny protagonist remains unfazed. How do they do it? The secret lies in a remarkable process known as cryptobiosis. Faced with extreme environments, the tardigrade essentially hits the pause button on its own biology. It expels nearly all the water from its body, retracts its head and legs, and enters a state of suspended animation, its metabolism slowing to a virtual standstill. In this death-defying slumber, the tardigrade can endure for decades, even centuries, waiting for conditions to improve, and when they do, it simply rehydrates and resumes its life as if nothing had happened. The tardigrade, a testament to the indomitable spirit of life, thriving where we could never dare to tread. From the microscopic world, we turn our attention to the familiar, the fruits of our gardens and markets. But even here, surprises await. Take, for instance, the banana and the strawberry. 2 fruits so different in appearance and taste, yet harboring a botanical secret. The banana, with its elongated shape and creamy texture, seems a far cry from the small red and seed-studded strawberry. Yet, in the eyes of a botanist, the banana is in fact a berry. How can this be? The answer lies in the structure of the fruit itself. A berry, by definition, is a fruit that develops from a single ovary within a flower. This ovary, the vessel containing the plant's seeds, swells as the fruit matures. In the case of the banana, what we consume is the fleshy, ripened ovary, filled with tiny, edible seeds. The strawberry, on the other hand, while appearing to be a single fruit, is actually an aggregate fruit. This means it develops from a cluster of many separate ovaries, all borne on a single flower. Each tiny seed on the surface of the strawberry represents a single fertilized ovary. So the next time you enjoy a banana, remember its hidden berry identity. And as you savor the sweet juiciness of a strawberry, marvel at the intricate dance of nature that brought it to your table. Our journey through the wonders of the natural world takes a fascinating detour into the annals of human history. We find ourselves in the distant past, a time when medicine was a blend of superstition and surprisingly advanced techniques. Here we encounter the practice of trepanation, a surgical procedure that involved drilling or scraping a hole into the skull. Imagine, if you will, the flickering light of a fire illuminating a scene both unsettling and awe-inspiring. Ancient healers, using tools crafted from stone, obsidian, or even sharpened shells, would carefully cut into the bone of the skull, exposing the delicate tissues beneath. Why, you might ask, would anyone subject themselves to such a procedure? The answer lies in the beliefs of the time. Trepanation was often performed to treat ailments believed to be caused by spirits or demons trapped within the head. Headaches, seizures, even mental illness were attributed to supernatural forces, and trepanation was seen as a way to release these malevolent entities. Remarkably, archaeological evidence suggests that trepanation was surprisingly successful, with many individuals surviving the procedure and living for years afterward. Skulls bearing the telltale signs of healing around the edges of the trepanation holes offer silent testimony to the resilience of the human body and the ingenuity of our ancestors. Chapter 4. Octopuses, masters of disguise and fluid intelligence. We dive now into the ocean depths, a realm teeming with creatures as alien as anything found in science fiction. Here we encounter the octopus, a cephalopod mollusk renowned for its intelligence, adaptability, and extraordinary physical abilities. Picture, if you will, the octopus's remarkable camouflage. Its skin, a canvas of shifting colors and patterns, can mimic the surrounding environment with astonishing accuracy. Specialized pigment sacs called chromatophores expand and contract, creating a dazzling display of textures and hues, rendering the octopus practically invisible to both predator and prey. But the octopus's talents extend far beyond mere camouflage. Its 8 arms, each lined with hundreds of suckers, act as independent sensory organs, tasting and feeling their surroundings. These arms, controlled by a network of 500 million neurons, can unravel knots, open jars, and even use tools with an almost eerie dexterity. Perhaps most astonishing is the octopus's unique circulatory system. Unlike most creatures which rely on iron-rich hemoglobin to transport oxygen throughout their bodies, the octopus utilizes a copper-containing protein called hemocyanin. This gives their blood a distinctive blue color and allows them to thrive in oxygen-poor environments such as the deep ocean depths. Chapter 5. The Eiffel Tower, a towering feat of thermal expansion. Our journey takes us now to the heart of Paris, where a towering symbol of human ingenuity stands tall against the sky. The Eiffel Tower, a masterpiece of wrought iron, is not only an architectural marvel but also a testament to the laws of physics, specifically the phenomenon of thermal expansion. Imagine, if you will, a summer day in Paris, the sun beating down on the city. As the temperature rises, so too does the temperature of the Eiffel Tower itself. And as the iron heats up, its atoms vibrate with increasing energy, causing the metal to expand ever so slightly. This expansion, while imperceptible to the naked eye, can result in the Eiffel Tower growing by as much as 6 inches in height. Conversely, during the colder winter months, the tower contracts, shrinking back down to its original size. To accommodate this constant expansion and contraction, the Eiffel Tower was designed with expansion joints strategically placed throughout its structure. These joints allow the tower to breathe with the changing temperatures, ensuring its stability and longevity. Chapter 6. Wombat Poop, a cube-shaped mystery solved. We venture now into the Australian outback, a land of rugged beauty and curious creatures. Here we encounter the wombat, a burrowing marsupial known for its stout build and perhaps most curiously its cube-shaped poop. Yes, you heard that correctly. Wombats, unlike any other animal on Earth, produce droppings that are distinctly cuboidal. Imagine, if you will, a pile of perfectly formed 6-sided dice, only instead of dots, they bear the unmistakable mark of the wombat. But how does this curious phenomenon occur? The answer lies in the wombat's unique digestive system, specifically its intestines. As food travels through the wombat's gut, water is absorbed, and the fecal matter is compacted. However, unlike most animals, whose intestines are relatively smooth, the wombat's intestines have varying degrees of flexibility along their length. This variation in flexibility creates areas of higher and lower pressure within the intestines, molding the fecal matter into its characteristic cube shape. These cube-shaped droppings serve a practical purpose for the wombat, preventing them from rolling away and marking their territory effectively. Chapter 7. Gravity Dips, the Earth's uneven pull. Our journey concludes with a look at the Earth itself, a planet we often perceive as a perfect sphere, its gravity pulling us uniformly towards its center. But this, as we shall see, is not entirely accurate. The Earth's gravity, it turns out, is far from uniform. Imagine, if you will, a vast ice sheet, covering millions of square miles. The sheer weight of this ice depresses the Earth's crust, creating a gravitational anomaly known as a gravity dip. These dips, while barely perceptible to us, can be detected by sensitive instruments. As ice sheets melt due to climate change, the Earth's crust slowly rebounds, and the gravity field begins to even out. This process, however, takes place over thousands of years. These gravity dips offer a fascinating glimpse into the dynamic nature of our planet, a constant dance between gravity, geology, and the ever-changing forces that shape our world. Flinto explore the unexplained. From microscopic marvels to the cosmic dance of gravity, our journey through 7 mind-blowing facts has only scratched the surface of the universe's wonders. The world around us is teeming with mysteries waiting to be unraveled, secrets hidden in plain sight. So keep your curiosity alive, your sense of wonder engaged, and never stop exploring the extraordinary tapestry of our universe. There's always something new to discover, something incredible to learn. Thank you for joining us on this adventure of knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to Flinto for more mind-expanding content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring.